At a contributory dinner party, each of the vegetarian paid rupees 125 and each of the non-vegetarian paid rupees 175. The total collection was rupees 6100. If there were 8 more vegetarian than non-vegetarian, find the total number of people who attended the party here. So in this question, basically we need to find the number of people were attended for this dinner party. Okay, so here in that vegetarian paid the rupees 125 for each, like we can say one for one thali here, and for non-vegetarian they paid a 175 rupees for one thali, we can say. Okay, so here total collection among of these people, there is a total 6100. Now by using this we need to find the how many people were there in that party here. Okay, now see here in the sentence what they have said: in the dinner party vegetarian paid, like let me write here V for vegetarian and for the non-vegetarian here. Vegetarian paid rupees 125 and whereas a non-vegetarian paid rupees 175 here. Now in the next sentence they are saying the total collection was, total collection means when we will add these two we will get a collection was, that is 6100. Okay, now if there were 8 more vegetarian than the non-vegetarian, see here they are giving something number for the vegetarian here, okay, not for the non-vegetarian. So what we will do, for the non-vegetarian people we will consider let it be x. Okay, let it be x here. Okay, now in that case for the vegetarian it will become, because compared to non-vegetarian there are the 8 numbers in the more, so if it is non-vegetarian more then vegetarian will be plus 8 we need to do here. Okay, this x plus 8 we need to multiply with this one, right? Okay, now here we need to multiply with the numbers of people and we have to add, and when we will add this we will get the total amount, that is 6100 here. So let the non-vegetarian people be x and the vegetarian people be 8 plus x. Why? Because they are 8 more than non-vegetarian here. Okay, now see here vegetarian they paid for one thali rupees 125. This we need to multiply with the 8 plus x, and this we need to add with the this for a non-vegetarian they paid a 175 rupees for the one thali with the x. When we will add and when we will do the multiplication with this and when we will add we will get the total money, that is 6100. Okay, for example see here there is a one thali like 100 rupees. If there are total 8 numbers of people, what we will do, we will multiply like this here. Here we have consider the variables instead of a number. Why? Because we don't know, that only we are finding here. Okay, now to calculate this let me open the bracket here. Okay, 125 8s I'll get, that is 1000. Okay, plus 125 into x I'll get to that 125x plus 175 into x, that is 175x equals to 6100. Now for the further simplification I'm sending 1000 to the right side. Okay, so it will become minus 1000. Okay, and here it is having the same term, so what we can do, we can add this 125 plus 175, I'll get 300 and the variable which is x here. Now 6100 minus 1000 I'll get, that is 5100. Here at the left we are having 300 and x. Okay, now to calculate the x I'm shifting 300 to right side, so it will come in the form of division. Okay, now see here 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancels, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 divides by 3, it means 51 divides by 3 here. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 5 minus 3 left with the 2. Here we are having 21, 5 7s are 21. So therefore x value how much we got, that is 17. Okay, now what we have considered, number of non-vegetarian people were a x, that is 17 now. Okay, and for the vegetarian that is 8 plus 17, correct? So 8 plus 17 how much I'll get? I'll get a 25. Now this is a separate, but they are asked us to find out the total number of, okay, for that, for therefore total people for the party, for that what we need to do, we need to add 17 plus 25. Okay, so I'll get here 12 2 3 4. So there are total 40 number of people were there in the party here.